Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to build a beautiful Glassmorphism UI in iOS using SwiftUI with glowing borders, gradient background, and modern design effects. If you love clean UI design and want to level up your iOS skills, this video is for you. Source code link available in video description. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more iOS and Android tutorials. Also, check out my other projects on the channel.